So if you want to change your this oil interval, first you go and set the car to ignition setting, but not to start. More or less, when you go like this, you can see there's 16,000. Then you just press this 1, 2, 3 seconds, then let it go, and then okay, it was too quick, too slow. Probably one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can see start to blinking. So you can right now adjust by pressing this one your oil change interval, and we can set it 20,000 kilometers or 30,000, but we'll go with 20,000 just because we want. And now it's set for 20,000 kilometers, so next oil interval will be 20,000 kilometers, and you can check if it's saved. Just turn off and turn it again on, and you see 20,000 kilometers. That's how you can change your oil interval as well if you're already in minus and running out of time. Thanks for watching, and I hope I could help you. Goodbye.